Welcome to another Bedtime and Beyond Learning Kit video. Also in your ASL word card box, you'll find behind the word cards a special treat. It's called a visual timer. This visual timer is mechanical, so there are no batteries, yay. And you just open up the box and find inside a timer. This timer is a visual timer, so because a lot of times timers have a tick, 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 but if we're deaf or hard of hearing, we might not hear that tick, tick, tick. So this is making that tick, tick, tick visual. I'm taking the timer, I'm holding it up, and I'm going to twist it from 0 to 5 to 10. Look at that. Where I twisted it to, the time, the interval, is in red. So the whole timer is white, but the interval is in red. And that interval closes as the time closes. So it is a great way for our children to just take a glance. Okay, that's how much time I have. At first, they'll not be able to tell much about how much time it will take, but in time, they'll get to learn and they'll be able to self-regulate time better because they have a real live way to see how time is passing. Hope you have a great time. Of course, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact your child's early intervention specialists or any service providers. I know they'd be thrilled to help you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.